December is my favorite time of the year for one reason: reflection. It's when I slow down and take stock of everything that has happened over the past 12 months. It's when I ask myself the tough questions. Did I accomplish the goals on my vision board? Did I push myself too hard? Or not enough? Welcome to my little corner of reflection, and let's dive in. One thing that I am not super proud of this year is definitely not hitting my fitness and health goals. Our kitchen renovation took far longer than expected, and what started as a simple project turned into a full-blown house remodel. Living out of Airbnb while monitoring construction made routine nearly impossible.
Because of this dysfunctional schedule, I was not able to keep up with Pilates or playing pickleball and tennis. And a lot of the times at night, I will have a huge craving. All of this will change next year because I'm already facing the consequences of these unhealthy habits.
Despite the chaos, I got to witness a lot of beautiful moments this year. I got to celebrate my little brother's graduation. It was the first time in many years that my family, all five of us, was able to be at the same place at the same time. So that was really special. And I also got to celebrate love. And being there for these moments reminded me how important it is to make time for the people you care about. This year, the biggest change for me was making the difficult decision to leave my position at Kelly Wurzler and open my own interior design studio. I know many of you found me through my vlogs while working there, but I'm no longer with the company. It was a tough choice, but it just came down to my health and well-being. Balancing a 9 to 6 job while doing the house renovation, while creating content, while doing life, it was just all too much for my body to handle. If I have learned anything from the past few years, is that I have to just really listen to my body. It wasn't easy, but I know it was the right decision for me. Starting my own business wasn't a light decision. It requires a lot of planning and preparation, but launching my own practice has been my dream since I was a little girl. And I'm still in shock of how quickly it's grown. Building a business is hard. Scaling it is even harder, but it's also incredibly rewarding. The feedback from my clients and the lessons I've learned along the way make every challenge worth it. What I love the most about this journey isn't just the financial freedom it will bring, but the freedom I have now to work at my own schedule, to work wherever I want, and to finally give me the opportunity to take on a project that is very deeply personal to me. I will be helping my mom renovate her house next year in Taiwan. This project has been a long time in the making. In the past few years, I have always just putting it in the back burner and told her that I will get to it later. And no matter how much money that I have in this world, I cannot buy back time. I can always find another job. I can always earn more money. She is turning 60 in 2 years, and it's been a long dream of hers to have her own place. She is a homebody just like me. She loves staying at home, so I really hope that before she turns 60, she can be living in her dream house, and I will be helping her to bring that vision to life next year.
Looking back, this year was one of the most challenging times of my life. I faced obstacles from every angle possible: financial stress, renovation headaches, business hurdles, you name it. But here we are at the end of the year. Thinking about it now, it feels like it all happened in the blink of an eye. I won't lie, my life is still kind of a mess. But I've realized that sometimes chaos is exactly where you need to be to grow, is where I need to be to grow. So thank you 2024 and all the lessons that you have taught me.
To those of you watching, whether you follow me through my Kelly Wurzler days or follow me through my house renovation journey, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wouldn't be here without your support. Next year, I have big plans. Scaling my business, helping my mom bring her dream home to come to life. There's a lot of uncertainties, but I am very excited for what is ahead. And to my future self, whenever you're watching this, I hope that you are proud of how far we've come and all that we've built. I know we can be really hard on ourselves a lot of the times, and we don't give ourselves credit. And a lot of the times, we don't celebrate our successes enough. We just immediately go after the next goal. I want you to take a pause and enjoy the moment. I will see you all in 2025, And that's it for today. Bye.